In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Lloyds Bank credit card online. We'll walk through the full journey from visiting the official website to submitting your application and what to expect once you're approved. Keep your basic details handy, things like your address history, income, and existing banking information, so the process is smooth. First, open your web browser and head to the official Lloyds Bank website. To stay safe, type the address directly or use a trusted search engine and check for the padlock icon in your browser to confirm you're on a secure page. Once you're on the site, navigate to the credit cards section. Take a moment to browse the range of cards available. You'll usually see options tailored to different needs, such as balance transfers, purchases, or rewards. Click into each card's overview to compare representative APRs, fees, and key features so you can find the one that best suits your goals. When a card catches your eye, select Learn More. This page gives you deeper detail on eligibility criteria, benefits, and important terms. If anything is unclear, read the summary information carefully so you know exactly what you're applying for. Next, choose Check Your Eligibility. You'll be asked for some basic information so the bank can indicate which cards you're likely to qualify for. This check is quick and in many cases uses a soft search that typically doesn't leave a mark you can see on your credit file. Be accurate and consistent with your details. Things like your income and address history should match what appears on your documents. If you're happy with the results, proceed to the application form. Fill in your personal, financial, and account details carefully. Enter your name and addresses exactly as they appear on your ID, and make sure your income and outgoings are up to date. Small errors can slow things down, so take a moment to review each section before moving on. You'll then be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions. This may involve confirming information from your existing account or providing ID. Keep your phone nearby for security codes, and never share one-time passcodes with anyone. When everything looks correct, submit your application and wait for a decision. Some applications are decided right away, others may take a little longer if more checks are needed. Once approved, you'll receive your credit card and delivery details. Activate your card using the mobile app, online banking, or by phone, following the instructions provided. After activation, review your welcome information so you understand your credit limit, payment due dates, and any applicable fees.